Hello everyone. Today I wanted to share with you and doing an unboxing of the Queen and Company Happy Holidays kit. Now this is an older kit, but I just purchased it and I think it's super adorable. Also I purchased, this is new as for Christmas time, this little word here. It doesn't have the name on it, I forget the name, but it's just a little kit that they have. Now this came out back in around the holidays last year. This says Merry, Jingle, and Santa. This used to come with some Gloober sheets and some foil, but they changed it up. You can still purchase those items to use with this kit, but it no longer comes with it. And it also comes with these really cute stamps. Claus is coming to town, believe in the magic of Christmas, Christmas to you and yours, may your days be, all the way, and sleigh bells ring. So really cute. And if you're wondering what the Gloober sheets and the foil looks like, I purchased this kit. This is the Halloween version. And I'll do an unboxing of this one too, just to share it with you guys. In a different video, of course. So these are the Gloober sheets, and then these are the foil that you can purchase, but they have a Christmas version. This is the fall Halloween version, just so you're aware of that. Okay, so let's unbox this super cute kit, Happy Holidays kit. And here is what comes in the kit, and then also upside down, here are some of the projects the cards that they made. Aren't those adorable? Super fun. And again, this is everything that comes in the kit. Okay. So here are the foam and the pearls here, the toppings. So you do get the acetate pieces, and then you will get 3 of each to make the little shakers of the foam here. And then here is these ones. And again, as you can see, you do get 3 of each of those. And then the cute little toppings. Let's see, there it is. So you get all these fun ones here. And then these are little star gems, really pretty. And then these gems in red and in green. So there's all the toppings, really pretty. And then you get all of these really fun dies. I'm super excited to play with this kit as well. You get a bow that has stitching around it, mistletoe, holly and holly berries, the sleigh, the candy cane, stocking, Christmas tree, and a gift. And of course the gingerbread man. So adorable. Sorry about the glare, guys, but so that is all the dies. And next is the stamp set. And it says right here, meet me under the mistletoe, have a holly jolly Christmas, candy cane wishes and mistletoe kisses, sending you sweet season's greetings. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night, making spirits bright. It's not what's under the Christmas tree that matters, it's who's gathered around it. Love that. Sending Christmas blessings, sweet Christmas wishes, sending Christmas wishes, and oh, what fun. Isn't that adorable? I love that. And last is the paper. The really fun 6x6 paper pad. And let's open that up. Sorry, I should have had this ready. So this is the Happy Holidays. So you get 4 of each. Sorry, I don't know if I was in view there. I apologize. I wasn't paying that much attention for just that moment. And the polka dots, the gingham. I love that. And then this one with all of the fun designs on there. Really beautiful. And they also have outline dies, so you can cut to use for making the acetate pieces or the background pieces. And eventually I do plan on going and picking up the outline dies for all the kits that I well, yeah, pretty much all the kits, because they started doing that, I think it was last year. So that'll be fun to go back and pick all those outline dies up. And then one more quick look at all of the fun cards. And this is what, again, comes in the kit. So they kind of give you an instruction here on the back how to put the bow together. In case you're new to crafting, that's very helpful. And then they kind of have instructions here showing you how to use the kit. So I think that's great that they did that for you know, new crafters. So anyways, that is everything I have to share with you in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Crafty Wishes. Bye.